Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss about forest resources. Forests are one of the most important natural resources. Importance of forest. Forests help to preserve biodiversity. They provide shelter for wildlife and a sanctuary to birds. They are the storehouse of timber for housemaking and furniture, fuel, fruits, herbs, honey, bamboo, fibers, etc. they provide. Forests help to maintain ecological balance. Forests provide clean environment. They provide raw material to many industries. Protective functions. Forests provide protection against soil erosion, droughts, floods, noise, etc. The most important point is reduction of global warming. The main greenhouse gas CO2 is used by forest for photosynthesis process. The forest act as a sink for CO2, thereby reducing the greenhouse effect due to CO2. It is said that the land under forest in our country is 21%, but the effective forest cover as revealed by all kinds of survey is hardly between 12 to 14%. This is a consequence of cutting down of trees. This depletion of forest cover is termed as deforestation. Causes of deforestation. Population explosion. Population explosion is the root cause of all environmental problems. Vast area of forest are cleared for human settlement. Next point, shifting cultivation. It is an agricultural method in which plots of land are cultivated temporarily. In this method, the farmers cutting down trees and cleared the land for cultivation. They also burn the uprooted trees. Okay. Growing food demand. To meet the food demand of rapidly growing population, more and more forests are cleared off for agricultural purpose. Firewood. Increasing demand of wood for fuel increases pressure on forest. Raw material for wood-based industry. Increasing demand of wood for making furniture, plywood, mat box, etc. results into tremendous pressure on forest. Infrastructure development. Massive destruction of forest occurs for various infrastructure development like big dams, highways, etc. Forest fire. Forest fire may be natural or man-made cause a huge loss of forest. Overgrazing. Overgrazing of land by cattle result into soil erosion, desertification. Effects of deforestation. First point, soil erosion. The soil gets washed away with rainwater on slopy areas in the absence of trees, leading to soil erosion. Expansion of deserts. Due to strong winds laden by rock dust, landmass gradually gets converted in atmosphere. Decrease in rainfall. In the absence of forest, rainfall declines considerably. Because forests bring rain due to high rate of transpiration, it maintains humidity in atmosphere. Loss of fertile land. Less rainfall results into loss of fertile land, owing to less natural vegetation growth. Come to the next point, conservation of forest. Forest resources of India are facing a serious threat by her own people. The government of India has taken serious view of this problem and as such has introduced a program to protect, conserve and develop the forest area. This is called Program of Forest Conservation. First point, afforestation means tree planting. Under this scheme, a program has been proposed to plant trees in Rajasthan, West Uttar Pradesh and Kutch desert to prevent soil erosion. Social forestry. Social forestry program with the objective to create awareness regarding conservation of forest and to meet the need of the rural people regarding fuel and timber. Agroforestry. Agroforestry is a land use management system in which trees or shrubs are grown around or among crops or pasture land. This intentional combination of agriculture and forestry has varied benefits, including increased biodiversity and reduced soil erosion. Van Mahotsav program. The most important of the policies is Van Mahotsav program, which started in 1950. Under this program, all government organizations are supposed to plant trees in the months of July and August. Chipko movement. The Chipko movement was a forest conservation movement by rural villagers, particularly women. The name of the Chipko movement originated from the word embrace or hugging, as the villagers hugged the trees in order to prevent them from being chopped. First Chipko action march in the year 1974 in Raini village. Forest Policy 1988. According to the Forest Policy Resolution of 1988, forest cover of country should not be less than 33% of the total geographical area. Main points of Forest Policy of 1988 are protection, conservation and development of forest.